Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8. As we discussed with students pre-market, market selling off right now. You have multiple alerts. I'm projecting software on different minute charts. It's in front of you now. Intelligent trader understands timing does matter in trading. There is single problem with this trade, market open, timing. So if you understand the danger of timing, what does the intelligent trader do? Respects and obeys this level, converting this chart to 1 so you can see how critical this moment is and absolutely expect it into the market open. That's it. As we discussed with students pre-market, buyers are weak, sellers are weak. When weakness is present, this is crucial key moment. So when you're looking at critical key Alpha Fibonacci chart and you understand how important this moment is, you're walking away with profit. Weakness all over the place. Very limited trading range. Again, projecting software on 1 minute chart. Market did not pull back as low as possible. Market bought viciously. Not a good news for retail trader. No crush. Again, we've been bouncing between these levels and these levels well before market open. Weakness all over the place. Projecting software on 1 minute chart. Trades play out on different other charts. Extremely important event to the upside. Extremely important level that identifies weakness. So if we keep bouncing in weakness on S&P mini future, trader who trades Alpha Fibonacci system is extremely well prepared, knowing quite well the danger of this moment that we will discuss in the live class. You cannot speculate with random number of points. Market volatility dictates points. So again, this is a scanner now. This is extremely important moment for day trading futures. Intelligent trader understands weakness to the downside with institutions buying the market. Price will continue this dance. This is ultimate precision during choppy, brutal market conditions. Bold pink line identifies weakness. There is nothing else. Price is stuck in this trading range. So if you don't like weakness, if you don't like aggressive markets, you're not in a trade now. Period. High, aggressive, weak. No power. If price collapses all the way down, it's a gift. If not, and price remains stuck here, it's not a good news. It's weakness. Weak buyers, weak sellers will test you to the core unless you are trading Alpha Fibonacci system. This is extremely important event that captures and shows the precise target, stop and entry. There is nothing else. Only this is present. Again, I'm projecting software on 1 minute chart. The software showing you clearly this is extremely important event. If institutions start buying market again, if market is not pulling back, vicious bullish rally will skyrocket. But price moves always 1 step at a time. Again, identified and discussed with students pre-market. So if you understand pure price, you can trade any instrument you choose. Identical event playing out currently on euro, on pound. Identical event playing out on gold. When you trade one, you can trade them all. Key level, bold red zone, decision point 2. Again, pay attention. Price moves 1 step at a time with ultimate precision. And there is on system and software traded globally on all instruments, all timeframes, all platforms since 2011. In the trading room, you're witnessing ultimate precision and you decide what you want to trade. Is it oil? Is it gold? Is it crypto? Is it stocks I never heard of? Traders will be speaking in Bootcamp, sharing what they trade. As S&P remains stuck at this level and reminds you that precision is key to your success, here's identical levels playing out currently on gold. Gold stuck between decision point 1 and decision point 2 for the last 2 months. There is nothing else. This is a trading range on long-term position on gold. Euro. Euro collapsed from this level multiple times in the last 2 years. Euro skyrocketed from this level, reminding all, do not ever short into critical key Alpha Fibonacci support when sellers are worthless and weak, monitor for long. When buyers are worthless, monitor for short, and remember where to exit your long. Apple. Selling off as it reached outside of decision point 2. In the course you learned this is critical key event. Not to enter position but to exit position is a brilliant thing to do. Amazon. Charts are twins with S&P. Institutional chart on S&P and Amazon are twins. As Amazon struggling at this key level, this level is out, this level is next. All in advance, never ever after the fact. And this playing out on S&P to the tick. Trades on various different charts. I project software on 1 minute chart for precision. Again, speculation in day trading, never ever an option. This is ultimate weakness on S&P. Ultimate weakness is extremely aggressive and dangerous market where precision is key. And you're witnessing it to the tick. I started developing systems 20 years ago. What you're witnessing in front of you didn't come overnight, didn't come in split second. Years and years to build single strategy. All you have to do is obey the rules and identify what's appropriate for you to trade. Is it S&P? Or is it Dow? Or is it Nasdaq? Or is it oil? Or is it gold? Or is it crypto? Or is it dollar? Or is it Nvidia? Or Amazon? Or any instrument you choose? If instrument has price, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. And if you day trade futures, software for NinjaTrader 8 available with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. Market is precise, Alpha Fibonacci chess. Brad P just started the course. He's extremely excited about Bootcamp. Ken and I met in London and Ken sent many emails sharing what he trades and how, and always keyword in his email, you developed Holy Grail of trading. And when trader struggles for 20 years and creates this, Brad had done multiple bootcamps. It's a different Brad to whom I dedicate this bootcamp. Brad devoted his energy and time to day trading with ultimate focus. Every trader different account, every trader different background. But it's an ultimate honor when father bringing his son to the course. Father, hedge fund manager. Son, day trade system when he is bored. Bored is a keyword which show you all the complexities come from your brain. All the chaos and panic comes from baggage you carry. It's not your fault whatsoever. So many traders come to the markets and clog up their brains, their power with indicators which are delayed and will never ever give you solid results or precision. This is another email from Legend Ken. I become smarter every time I hear you teach, but I do check videos daily. Ken is trading instruments I never even heard of. Absolutely no idea what is NXS is. But one thing I know for sure, Ken is trading crypto on his iPhone. And when in other emails, Ken sharing very clearly what he plans to do with money he earned, trading Alpha Fibonacci system, his inspiration of so many others. David, trading completely different instruments. You can listen to his podcast on homepage. He is trading it all. If these traders can do it, so can you. Dow, of course, why not? Completely different instrument than Ken, than Brad, than Andy. Georgie and I just recorded podcast. He will be speaking in a bootcamp. Speaking from one of the most dangerous places on the planet. Georgie delivering this on stocks. He's self-aware. He understands the power of alpha brain, which I will be diving into in bootcamp. Georgie trading stocks I never even heard of. And day trading when time allows. You will see his podcast next. So again, you're witnessing ultimate precision during brutal, nasty, choppy retail market conditions. All of these are retail levels. This is not institutional morning if price is not crashing through this level. Price could be dancing between these levels for hours, even days. Ultimate test is on. Intelligent trader understands the difference between aggressive versus conservative markets. When markets are weak, markets are extremely aggressive. When ultimate precision is key. When you master weak, choppy markets, everything else becomes breeze. But what you witnessed this morning is ultimate precision again and again and again. And why JP Morgan traders trading the system? Software is not required whatsoever. System traded globally since 2011. Software for NinjaTrader 8 came out in 2019. Do you understand the power and simplicity that playing out in front of you? It's a bold red zone. It's a bold pink line on long-term chart. Its weakness confirmed to the upside. So if you love being tested, day trading is for you. If not, use system long term. On stocks, on crypto, on any instrument you choose. View the movie Ken made about Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 13 years. And review everything on homepage. I have not taught a bootcamp in years. I do not know if I will ever teach another one. So if you're fortunate to grab the last 8 spaces and you are joining us in the course, value of the bootcamp $27.70 included in all packages you will see on homepage. So if you're signing up for private mentoring, savings more than $10,000. Group course savings more than $7,000. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. You do not have to attend live classes. You can view videos 24/7. And when you view what traders trade, you will understand why Emmanuel bringing his wife to the course and they both become full-time traders. Why CEO trading it all? Why Carlton bringing his friends to the course? It is all under students' performance. Also understand, this is maybe less than 1% of the emails I receive. That's it. Only recently posted. So if you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. But please review the details about Bootcamp on our homepage by clicking on this link. Alpha Brain, Money Mindset, critical key part of the Bootcamp. That's it, where you master how to trade with ultimate precision on average 3 hours per day during March 14th through 22nd, Monday through Friday. You will learn how to remove pain and speculation from trading, how to stop gambling, losing money, how to trade as a hedge fund trader with institutions, with a proprietary system, or with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. Absolutely your personal choice what you will decide to trade. So please review. If you like enough to grab last 8 spaces, I look forward working with you. Any questions? Pick up the phone and call or email me your number.